Hi Dress-Up Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a toucan, so let's get started. To draw this awesome bird, let's first start by drawing its eye. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big circle. So this is the outside, and then we're going to come right here and draw a small circle for a highlight first, right here on the edge, and then I'm going to come around and draw a circle around it. Just makes it a little bit easier, then you don't have to use a white ink pen to draw the highlight, to put in the highlight, I mean. So then shade this part right in here in all black, and we have the eye. So from there we're going to start to draw around this eye to form the head and the beak. So I'm going to come to where the eye is to make it a bit easier. So I'm going to come where the eye is, the top of my eye, come out a little bit, so about say right here, really close to it. And I'm going to draw a curve. So just draw a curve right next to the eye and the length of your eye. And from there I'm going to pull it up a little bit more. So about right here, just pull it up a little bit more. And from there I'm going to go around my eye to create the head. And about there. And I'm going to come out more right here. So this part is going to be a little bit wider out. And I'm going to stop where the eye, same area. So then from there I'm going to bring this curve down a little bit more and curve it out. So now I have this part right here, I can start to draw the beak. So the beak is the best part of a toucan, right? So we're going to make this pretty big. So let's come from right here, and I'm just going to draw a soft line and let's keep going. Say about right here, I'll start to bring it down. So let's keep going right here. It's all up to you how big you want your beak to be. So mine's going to be about right here. And I'm going to round off the tip and bring it back up. And connect back. And let's come in here for some details. So about right here, I'll just come in here with a line following and bring it all the way down for the separation of the beak. And for some details, because there's so many different kinds of toucans, but in general, I guess they have this difference of color right here on the tip. So I'll just put that in for now, but it's all up to you on how you want to color your beak. And then from there, let's start to finish off the head area. So right here, let's bring in the curve area for the throat area. So about right there, continue a curve, and we're going to bring this down more. And keep coming. So about right here in this area, I'm going to stop and pop it out a tiny bit. So this is kind of like where the wings would be. So let's bring this down more. Bring this down more. So we're just kind of creating this curved shape. So before I finish that, let's come back up here and I'm going to create this patch that the toucan has. So it kind of goes around the eye. Kind of covers the throat area. So I'm following this curve and I'm going to bring it back to here. So it's all up to you how low you want to bring this, because like I said, there's just so many different kinds of toucans. But in general, about right here, bring it, loop it around and come right back up. Okay, so then from there we can go ahead and start to finish the rest of the body. So right there, let's bring this down, bring this down, and we're just going to bring it together. Back and forth. And we just want to aim to bring it back to the same level. Okay, now we're about the same level. Before I finish that part, let's come back up kind of where this wing is, this area on the other side. I'm going to pop out a small indication of the other wing and just tuck it in. Okay, so then from there, about the same level. I'm going to just very lightly draw a curve right here for just an indication of the other wing. This is just so you know where the wings are. But in general, the toucan is all black right here, so it really doesn't matter. You can just shade it in all black, just depending on how much detail you want to put on the coloring. Okay, so then from there, now that we're pretty even, let's come to this area and we're going to draw the feet. So right here, and I'm totally simplifying this. So I'm just drawing this kind of shape for the claws. So I'm just going to draw 2 for each, and then skip a little bit of space and draw 2 more. So kind of like really elongated teardrops. So sharper towards the end. And then from there, now that these are pretty even, I'm going to come in between the claws. And I'm going to start my branch. So you just want to make sure your line is beneath the top of the feet. And then right here for the bottom, same thing. You just want to make sure your branch is not below your point. So then that way it looks like the claws are wrapped around this branch. Okay, so something like that. And then I'm just going to bring this branch out just to finish it off. Just flicker it out. And it's up to you if you want to put in more detail, but I'm just going to leave it as like that. Maybe it went a little bit too high, but I'll fix that. Okay, so then from there, let's draw the tail. So come down here about this area and right here. And I'm just going to bring down a curve. And at the bottom right here in this area, I'm just going to softly draw some curves to finish it off. There. Okay, so then now let's just finish off the branches. I'm just going to bring it out kind of to where the beak area is. Split it off just to finish off the branch easier. So something like that. It's all up to you. Have fun with this part. Okay, so let's say right here, I'll just pop in some leaves. Another one. And so on this side as well. So this is just a simplified way of drawing leaves on a branch without having to go into too many details. So I'll put 3 on this side. And let's come in here and I'm just going to draw 3 circles for some indication of berries for our toucan here. So here and there, maybe some here. And let's see, one more here before I get carried away. Okay, I'll leave it as that. So something like that. Let me fix this. It went a little too high. Okay, so that is pretty much it. Except of course, you know what? I'm gonna put a heart right here. Now it's my Draw So Cute Toucan, right? Because a lot of you cuties always say, where's the heart? You forgot the heart. So I'll put mine right here. And I really hope you love how this toucan turned out and I made it fun and easy for you to follow along with me. And thanks so much for watching. And if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.